So you have a website set up, it's a WordPress website, fantastic. And you've gone and done it yourself, created it yourself. You've added all the images, you've added all the text, you've done all the pages, fantastic. Now you add in Google Analytics, and so you can see how many people are coming to your website, but you're noticing that a lot of people aren't sticking around. Why is that? Well, in this episode of the Boostly podcast, I'm going to give you another reason why your website could be killing your direct bookings. And before we begin, let's just say, if this is the first time that you've discovered this podcast, please make sure that you hit the thumbs up button if you're watching it on the YouTube. If you are tuning along, please let us know where you are tuning in from in the world. Let us know your business. As always, give your business a shout out in the comments, which is fantastic. But also as well, please make sure you subscribe, download, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. If you're listening to the audio version, download it, subscribe. Every single day in 2021, I'm going to have a podcast for you to help give you the tools, the tactics, the training, but most importantly, the confidence to go and get more direct bookings. So we've got all that out of the way. Let's go into it. So one of the major reasons why people leave your website is because your website is taking too long to load. Now you just got to think about it and think about the customer booking journey. A lot of them are going to be beginning their search on one of these, which is a mobile phone. And if they're not at Wi-Fi, if they're not a very good Wi-Fi, they're going to be on their 3G, 4G, maybe even 5G, hopefully, if they've got it. If not, it's going to be on a slower browser. And as the stats and the survey have showed, if your website takes more than 5 seconds to load, then they are bouncing. And if they're bouncing, then they're never coming back. 89% of people said in a survey is that if they have a poor user experience, they leave and they never come back. Because what they're going to do is they're going to run the same search on Google and they'll just go to a name that they recognize, Booking.com, Airbnb. So even if they've specifically come onto your website because they've heard of your name, whether it's for a recommendation or a repeat guest, and your website is letting you down because of the time it takes to load, then that's not good. So what you need to do is you need to make sure you've got a website that loads fast. The recommended time right now is anything under 3 seconds, which is crazy. And again, let me just show you what Boostly websites loads. This is a recent Boostly website that we did. Website loads in under 1 second, 0.598 seconds, which is pretty fast. Our team are geeks when it comes to this, and they are trying to make websites go as fast as possible. So the website I just used there was tools.pingdom.com. Go and put in your website and run a little test and let us know how long it takes for your website to load in the comments below if you like. If you want to book a call with us at Boostly so we can help you potentially with your website, all you need to do is go to boostly.co.uk/websites. boostly.co.uk/websites. From there, you can book a call. You can see our full portfolio, and plus as well, you can see everybody that we work with in terms of PMSs and our full FAQ. Big one today. Web speed is a big one, and please make sure that you go and check your speeds right now. boostly.co.uk/website if you want to book in a call with us and the team. I'll be back tomorrow with another Boostly podcast episode. Until then, stay proactive, don't be reactive, and let's go and get some direct bookings.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.